Hi. Welcome back to our channel, where we unveil the secrets to achieving financial independence and building wealth. Today, get ready to fast-track your journey to riches, because we're about to reveal the 3 invaluable advices from the legendary Warren Buffett himself, specifically tailored for young people like you who aspire to be rich. Trust me, this is a video you can't afford to miss. Picture this, a future where you're not just financially comfortable, but truly wealthy. A future where you have the power to live life on your own terms, where money is not a limitation, but a tool to create the life you've always dreamed of. Warren Buffett's advices are the roadmap that will guide you through the twists and turns of your financial journey, leading you straight to the land of riches. Advice number 1, invest in your knowledge and education. Warren Buffett believes that the best investment you can make is in yourself. So, prioritize learning and constantly expand your financial knowledge. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can challenge and inspire you. Advice number 2, start investing early and be patient. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. Warren Buffett started investing at a young age, and his success is a testament to the power of compounding. Begin by setting aside a portion of your income and invest it wisely in a diversified portfolio of quality companies for the long term. Advice number 3, embrace a long-term mindset and avoid short-term thinking. Warren Buffett is known for his patient approach to investing. He advises young people to resist the temptation of quick gains and instead focus on long-term value creation. Don't get swayed by market fluctuations or short-term trends. Stay committed to your investment strategy and allow time and compounding to work their magic. These 3 advices from Warren Buffett hold the key to unlocking your financial potential. By investing in your knowledge, starting early, and adopting a long-term mindset, you'll be well on your way to building lasting wealth. So, it's time to take action. Don't just watch this video and let it fade away. Take these advices to heart and implement them into your financial journey starting today. Remember, it's not enough to know the path, you have to walk it. The road to riches requires dedication, discipline, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Are you ready to take the leap towards a life of wealth and abundance? I hope so, because your future is about to change forever. As Warren Buffett once said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So, seize this opportunity to invest in your financial education and become the architect of your own success. Let's unleash the power of Warren Buffett's advices and set forth on a journey that will rewrite the story of your financial future. The time is now, and the opportunity is in your hands. Get ready to embark on a path that leads to riches, success, and financial freedom.